Alright guys, this is Mil. Today we're going to talk about my Nissan NV200 now that has let me check the miles. Now that has 86,358 miles. So what it's like, the Nissan NV, I have 86,000. I never had any problem with it, no mechanical issues at all. Everything is still working great. I don't have any issue, just oil change, and I did replace the fluid on the brake fluid and transmission fluid. Other than that, I haven't replaced the radiator fluid because still the dealership was suggesting that I wait till it hits 100,000 miles, which is great. So yeah, this Nissan NV has been amazing. I've been traveling with it, with anywhere from Florida to here in California, in New York. I mean, this van has been everywhere. So so far no problem. I never had an issue. Like I said, when I drive it, I always keep it under, with the RPM, I always keep it under 2,000. I never over rev it. So yeah, pretty awesome van. Best van so far I ever, the best choice I ever made, So yeah, I'm looking probably to buy another vehicle sometime soon, but I'm keeping this van for a long time. But on the website, if you go to Nissan website, Nissan USA, you'll see that these vans are rated for 500 plus thousand miles, so they can run forever. So as long as you take care of them, they'll take care of you. So anyway guys, this is Mil. This is my update on my Nissan NV200 2017 with 86,000 miles. Have a good day. Bye.